the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen Edition. And you already know I'm cooking up something real good. And if you want to see what I prepared for my family on today, you know what to do. Just keep watching. So first things first, I had to catch a chicken. Since you're already here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice. So my chicken breasts have been thawing out. Now I have washed them and I am preparing them for today's meal. I know, I'm a little picky about the fat on my chicken. Well, in today's video, I am preparing a balsamic chicken with brown sugar, pears, and caramelized onions. That's a mouthful. And oh, it's a tasty mouthful. So I'm placing my chicken in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. And to that, I am going to season my chicken with Poultry Seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, Parsley Flakes, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Mix everything together well and incorporate it and let the seasonings soak in. I will marinate my chicken between 30 and 45 minutes on today. To all of my loyal subscribers, you know what I say. Welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch on today. It absolutely means the world to me, because the truth of the matter is, you don't have to watch, but I'm so glad you decided to watch on today. So dicing up my onions, you can use as little or as much as you like. So I'm placing them in this glass bowl with a lid. Next up, my pears. You know from the video yesterday that I got from my cousin Hubba's house. I'm slicing my pears very thinly, and I'm leaving the skin on because all of the nutrients, all of the good stuff, it's in the skin. So my pears are placed in cold water to prevent them from browning until time to use them in today's recipe. Adding 2 pats of butter to my saucepan. My marinated chicken breasts are now going to brown. Oh, I really wish you could smell what's coming out of this kitchen. One batch of chicken breast down and one more to go. If you're new here, welcome, but don't be a stranger. Come on and subscribe to my channel today. It's fun and it's free. So make sure to hit that subscription button. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a great, like this video, great cooking video. This is a lifestyle channel, and I also share vlogs and shopping haul, home decor, and so much more. Now this is where this dish is getting real. I am scraping all of those seasonings, that goodness found at the bottom of this pan. My onions are going in. I'm going to sweat them till they are softened and then introduce my next ingredients. I know we say it all the time, but I really wish you could smell my kitchen. My ingredient listing and the full recipe will be in the description box below for your convenience. Next, I introduce into my pan my pears and 2 heaps of brown sugar. You see how I'm scraping? I'm getting all of that goodness, all of those seasonings from the bottom of my pan. And now I'm going to introduce my balsamic vinegarette. Place your chicken back in the pan and cover it for about 7 to 10 minutes on low, but make sure to watch it. It's too good now to mess it up. You don't want to burn flavor in all of this goodness. So I opted to use the rice in a bag for today's recipe. So a couple of snips and dump it in my bowl. only one thing left to do, and that's make a plate. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you leave me a big thumbs up and a comment down below. And make sure to check out my great cooking playlist, where I have my pineapple, my barbecue pineapple wings, and my air fry, you heard it right, my air fried steak. And don't forget my fall off the bone oven cooked ribs. You see that Carolina barbecue sauce? Or make sure to check out my loaded macaroni and cheese. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.